get one shot at this, boys. How are we doing on those snow globes? Beam splitter ready. Fire at will.
Do it, Skipper.
Dead batteries. Game over, Skipper.
No! Rico, batteries! Skipper, Kowalski, hold off those octopi! We're doing this now!
You heard, Private. Deploy.
Get back, you aquatic savages!
Behind you! Beside you! 12 o'clock! They're coming from every direction!
There's just too many of them!
You came back!
Oh, that's why you look back at the explosion.
Hold back positions. Stay away from Private.
Go!
Suck it up, Kowalski. It's over, Skipper. Over? That's weird. Then why is Rico throwing me a fresh pair of double A's? No! The remote! Rico, dibble me!
Flawless victory. Flawless victory. Finish him! Flawless victory.
It worked! Private! Excuse me, emergency! Coming through! Sorry about the Make the hole! Make a hole!